from Germany. I'm currently in Germany on my first volunteering experience with Worldpackers. So for those of you who don't know, Worldpackers is basically a website that you sign up to. It costs like 49 euros, but you can get discounts so that it's 39 euros for a year. And in that year, it allows you to contact hosts from all over the world that are offering you volunteering experiences. So it could be at hostels, it could be at someone's house. You just exchange your time and your work for free accommodation, basically. So the one that I'm working at, I get free accommodation. So I get this room, this bed for free. It's only me staying in here. I get free breakfast, lunch and dinner. They have a shopping list, so they won't allow me to go to the shop and buy any of my own things. I have to add it to the shopping list and then they'll go and get it for me. And then I get free laundry, so I can do my laundry here for free. I don't think I will be using it because I have all my stuff that I need for a week. I managed to pack it all in a small bag. But in case anything gets dirty when I'm working, then I can clean it. I get free bikes. There's bikes in the garage that I can take whenever I want. I get to go on free tours because the place I'm working at also have alpacas. So my job is also cleaning all the rooms and helping clean and look after the alpacas, which is very fun. I literally just got back from doing that, which was really fun. Yeah, so that's basically what Worldpackers is in a nutshell, but you can do it all over the world. And it varies the amount of time that you have to volunteer per week. So it can range from 10 to about 32 hours a week, depending on what the host is after. So I do 2 hours a day. I get 2 days off a week. It's not 2 hours. Like, I got here and he was like, it takes 10 minutes to do the alpacas, and then you come back, clean the hostel, and it takes like literally half an hour, 30 minutes. I have the full day every day, which is really good. Yeah, I'm in like a valley next to the Rhine. It's called Bad Salzig. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know. Kind of near Boppard. It's about an hour and a half from Frankfurt. So yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you'll enjoy this video. So yeah, enjoy! I've had a bit of a lazy day so far. I literally got up at 10 o'clock. I was very tired and a little bit tipsy last night. So I've slept in today and I'm just about to start my work in like 20 minutes. I need to do anything with the alpacas today because they were going to the school to visit the school and all the school kids. So I didn't need to do anything. I will go up and check after my work that like all their food is done, or like they're clean and stuff like that. I know I didn't film a lot yesterday. I went on an alpaca walk, but I only filmed the dog, so I'll film it again today when I go at like 4:15. And then we went shopping and they got all my food for me, and then I ate dinner, took a shower, and then we sat out here with some wine and chatted till like 10:30, 11, and then I went to bed very tipsy. And the wine was made in Boppard, very local wine, which is very nice. I have a bit of a headache at the minute from yesterday. So I'm feeling the hangover already, which isn't good because I literally only had like 2 glasses of wine, but obviously it's so hot.
nearly good afternoon because I'm up late again, but I finished all my work in like half an hour this morning, and then I realised that I missed the train because I like then got ready and it was like just gone 11 and the train was at like 10 past, so I missed it. So I have to wait till this one, which is 10 past 12. So I'm going to the closest city, which is Koblenz. So it's like a small city, but there's like a really cool point there apparently where two rivers meet. So the Rhine meets another one, I can't remember what the name is, and they call it like the German corner. So I'm going to see that and have a wander around there.